I can't remember Excel formulas. This is not me. But I'm still being able to do all my work in Excel, all the formulas in Excel. How so? How so I'm being able to do it? With the help of AI. Okay. How does AI help me in that? Let's try to understand with the help of a demo. Okay. The name of this particular tool, guys, drum rolls, it's Formula Dog. What does Formula Dog do? It helps you in generating any sort of Excel formula just with the help of prompting. Excited to learn this? Do you want a demo on Formula Dog? How does it work? Yes. Do you want it? Yes. Much needed. Okay. Let's see what we can do about it. Okay. I'll just simply go to formula.dog. Okay. I'll go to formula.dog. I'll copy the name. I'll copy the link and paste it in the chat box as well for you guys. Formula.dog. Okay. Once I do that, you will get a dashboard like this. Over here, you can simply create an account for yourself. Create an account. As I mentioned, all the tools that we are covering are either free or freemium, so you can use it as well. Okay, once you do that, once you have logged in or created an account, you will see a dashboard like this. Okay, you will see a dashboard like this. Okay, once you see a dashboard like this, you will see a lot of options. You will see explain, regex, SQL, VBA, Google Sheets, Airtable. So you see a lot of options. Right now, we are concerned about generating formulas in MS Excel. You can use it for other tasks as well. As seen over here, the method will be the same. I'll just show you the method for this particular use case. Okay, what do we have to do? Over here, I'll just give a prompt to get in a formula from Excel. Okay, let us try it with a very simple thing. Then, you can do it for very complicated Excel formulas as well. So what I'll do, let's say we want to identify whether the student has passed an exam or not. Okay, and we want to generate a formula for it. Okay, I'll do find out whether a student has passed an exam or failed. Whether the student has passed an exam or failed. If the exam consists of 5 test marks, the 5 test marks are stored in cells A1 to A5. If the sum of all 5 test marks is greater than 200, let's say, then return passed, else return failed. Do you understand this particular prompt which I have given? Very, very simple prompt which I have given. Do you understand it? Yes? No, yes, clear. Okay. You can do the same. How many of you know what is the answer that we'll be getting? What is the formula that we'll be getting? I don't know what is it that we'll be getting, but I want you all to understand or not. I'll click on generate and then let's wait for some magic. Okay. If sum of A1 to A5 is greater than 200, return passed, else return failed. And via this, you can generate any sort of formulas in Excel in a matter of seconds. I'll go to the explain tab. Over here, I will just enter the formula. Okay, I'll just enter the formula and ask Formula Dog to explain me this formula. Okay, to explain me this formula. And boom,